Good morning. The sun is up. Barstow's in the rearview mirror. And until we get to Vegas, there's not a lot out here except desert. The road to Vegas is littered with abandoned buildings of all sorts. Houses, gas stations, restaurants, businesses that have tried to make it out here in this vast desert but have failed. Right there behind me, actually, is an old water park. If you can believe that. It's been around for decades. It was called Lake Dolores. Then it turned into Rockahula. It just doesn't seem like it should ever have worked. It was a water park in the desert. It's hard enough to get water out here, and it just didn't seem right. And of course it didn't work. It slowly fell into ruin, and now it's just a bunch of buildings turning into nothing. While it's sad that they didn't make it, it does break up the drive a little bit. It makes it kind of interesting, gives you a few things to look at. And I think I will.
When I was a kid, I used to want to dig up dinosaur bones and find ancient civilizations. So finding places like this just sort of sparks that adventure that I felt as a kid. And it's just plain fun. One thing you also get in the desert is heat. It's not even 7 a.m. and according to the world's tallest thermometer, it's already 80 degrees. So you better get moving.
We're stopping by a roadside art installation that I've always wondered about when I pass by. It's called Seven Magic Mountains, and you're about to see it.
I've always wondered just exactly what these were. They're so brightly colored that I thought they might be balls of plastic or something, but turns out they're actually rocks.
actually a lot taller than I thought they'd be. If you're in town, you have to visit Fremont Street. It is vintage Las Vegas, and it is fabulous. Feeling a little bit hungry, and I think I found the perfect place to have lunch. Wow, this is just mind-bending how many games there are. I don't even know where to turn. So many of them, but I think I got my eye on one I want to play. Alright, so this is me right here. Abracadabra. Let's go. Wow, that was too much fun. Talk about a kid in a candy store.
The destination is on your right, the Neon Museum. Arrive.
more of those gems you find when you just get out there, start traveling, and going places.
Okay, so this is why we chose to do the aliens on the way back. You have to stop and get gas. Usually it's Baker anyway for me, but now it's the evening time and we got lights. All the lights are on. Twinkle lights, my friends. Twinkle lights are the key to happiness, right? Everything looks better with twinkle lights on it. Got alien activity here. Oh yeah. Right. Cover me. Going in.
Don't you want to know what the all-knowing alien sees in your future? The bathroom can wait. Answers to your questions I have.
Roadkill or abducted? Whew. I gotta go abducted.
Thanks for the ride, guys. Really appreciate it. I know it was out of your way. So hey, if you like going places, come on board. Like and subscribe to the channel. It'll be out of this world.